किसने याद की और जगाए सारी रहना रे। पिया जगावे जिया जगावे दिया जगावे रे। आवे रे हिचकी आवे रे हिचकी आवे रे हिचकी हिच आवे रे हिचकी आवे रे हिचकी आवे रे हिचकी।
So it's an arranged marriage, but with a twist in it. So my parents told about this girl, and that time I was doing some work, and I didn't even have the photo before I was meeting her. On my way, I asked my mom, "Yaar, photo to bhejo so that I can recognize her over there." I went over there, met her, and we had a good chat for about a couple of hours.
And then we met twice, I think, yeah. And then we talked for 2 months, but then I said no, it can't happen because I'm not getting that feeling.
But then we continued to stay friends. We used to chat, we used to message for a month, couple of months. We stayed in touch, and then it sort of we thought, let's just meet again and let's see, just as friends with you. Then we met, and that was more a neutral setting. And then we started to know each other much better. And then it sort of, we didn't tell our parents that we were meeting. They didn't have any idea. And by that time, my parents were already looking for more girls. And I had to hide it from my parents. It was sort of arranged love, sort of a thing that happened. So yeah, not just arranged, but with a twist in it.
मेरी जान की सौगंध है याद ना आइयो रे। ओ पिया जगावे जिया जगावे दिया जगावे रे। तलैया सूखी बिखर सूखा भीतर सूखा रे।
विभोर का मतलब है खुशी, प्यार, मोहब्बत। बहुत सोच समझ के ये नाम रखा, और उसके जन्म से ही हमें बहुत खुशी मिली। जब से वो हमारे जीवन में आया, हमें खुशियाँ ही खुशियाँ मिली।
We grew up and we are very, very close. He is again the go-to person for me. I think everyone will agree that for him, both from his family side, from his friend side, anyone who has any doubt or any kind of advice that they require, Vibhor is the person they go to. Same with me.
You think you know all about it, and then it seems you are wrong.
So Aditi has a very special thing about her, that she is cocky. She is very cocky, and she has a very weird sense of humor. You never know whether she's gonna crack the best joke or the worst joke. So that's the part, and she can say things that you would not even think of.
And she has like the biggest heart, like she is the person who gives, and her love is unconditional. I've only seen her like this, nobody else.
So it's a very great, it's actually a great mix of having a fun side as well as a caring side.
Can't stop this breaking loose. This love is like wildfire, like wildfire.
तो गुड्डू दीदी वाज लाइक सबसे कूल, सबसे फियरलेस गर्ल थी हमारे यहाँ की, जो बुलेट चलाने से लेकर शायद से हॉर्स पे भी वही बैठती है अगर शादी में। हमारे प्लान्स थे पूरे कि उनको बैठाने के, और वही तो शी वॉज रियली अ मोटिवेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ लिटिल कजन्स. शी इज अ मोटिवेशन फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस.
Every inch of me is holding on.
think Vibhoji is the one who can take care of her, and they are a similar kind of person, fun-loving and caring for each other. So.
और जब से विभोर जी जो आए, जब से देखा है, दोनों जब भी साथ होते हैं हंसते रहते हैं, बस हंसते रहते हैं, अच्छे लगते हैं.
अदिति से भी इतनी ज़्यादा खुश है. हम जो चाह रहे थे कि जैसी मिले उससे कई गुना वो बहुत अच्छी है.
अब विक्की से भी थोड़ी सी एक कदम आगे बढ़ के हमारे लिए अदिति हो गई.
दे कनेक्ट एट सम लेवल. मतलब उनको देखते ही ऐसा लगता है कि रब ने बना दी जोड़ी.
She headed out of the park before it even begun. Oh, we are bound to each other's hearts, caught on and pulled apart. This love is like wildfire.
What I like about them is that they look cute together, but then that's not a really exceptional thing as such, you know. What is beautiful is that even when things were not going that good, they stuck on with each other.
Union of family, I think both the families are very well grounded. They are, good thing about it is they both are religious, even though if we are not that religious, but that's where I think both the connection comes, and both the families love their children a lot. They have a very strong connection with their children, and vice versa as well. And I have never felt being an outsider to Aditi's family, and I'm pretty sure that Aditi didn't feel the same, does feel the same way only. So I think it's a great union in that aspect.
Wherever I lack, he's good at that. So I'm very impatient person. So he fulfills that, and then he understands me. He make me understand the other things also. So I'm very rigid in my mind. So he always give me another perspective to look at the things. So that is why I'm giving, the person with whom you can grow, you can have a different opinion. It broadened the actually perspective regarding the things. So that's what I wanted for my personal growth also. And then he's a very happy-go-lucky type person. He enjoys, and then he let me be the way I am. It doesn't, stop me being kiddish or being loud or whatever it is.
ये झोंका तेरे घर का रास्ता बनेगा, ये झोंका तेरे घर का रास्ता बनेगा। अकेले में तुझसे मिला तो कहेगा, अकेले में तुझसे मिला तो कहेगा, मिला तो कहेगा।
पेशेंस इतना है, मतलब उनसे सीखने के लिए जाए ना तो पेशेंस, प्यार और इंटेलिजेंस ऑब्वियसली। तो मतलब ये केतन बहुत इरिटेटिंग है, बहुत ज़्यादा। वो विक्की भैया के पास जाते से ही ऐसा लगता है कि विक्की भैया प्लीज़ इसको भगा दो, बट ही इज़ लाइक नो, लेट हिम डू।
सबसे बात करना फ्रेंड बहुत जल्दी बनाता है वो, हर किसी को बोलना सबसे पसंद करता है, घर परिवार से बहुत प्यार करता है, सबका बहुत ख्याल रखता है।
सबसे बड़ा,
सबसे इनोसेंट, सबसे प्यारा,
मतलब वो बड़ा है इसलिए उसका एक अलग ही जगह हो जाती है ना, एक बड़े की बड़प्पन, उसका सबसे ज़्यादा प्यार उसी को।
हमारा सबसे पहला यही हुआ और सबसे इतना लाडला है, इसने तो इतना खिलाया है बचपन से। वो जब रोता था तो ये पहले रोती थी।
देख तेरा क्या रंग कर दिया है, खुशबू का झोंका तेरे संग कर दिया है। देख तेरा क्या रंग कर दिया है, खुशबू का झोंका तेरे संग कर दिया है। देख तेरा क्या खुशबू का झोंका तेरे संग कर दिया है। देख तेरा क्या रंग कर दिया है, खुशबू का झोंका तेरे संग।
One thing I find very interesting is that first they met and then Bhabhi had said a no, saying that she's not in the frame of mind to get married. So I really want to know, I'll ask them definitely now, okay, what is it that happened that Bhabhi thought, okay, you know what, I think Vibhor is the guy and I want to get married to him.
One night we partied at Ministry of Wear, that was like craziest shit. And that was the day, okay, I was like, okay, hi, yeah. We can go ahead.
मैनू वेखे हवा भी पई घूम के, तेरा मेरा साथ पुराना है, रल मिल के।
I always had a great time with him. I think in the span of 9 months we hardly fought.
Also, I've seen like a gradual positive change that is there in Bhaiya since Bhabhi has come. So now he cracks like really, really poor jokes, which is learned from Bhabhi. And I think that he has always been cheerful, but now I feel that he's even more cheerful because of Bhabhi. So I think kudos to that.
तू हर जाए ओ वेखी होमी ना तू हर जाए, मार देवेगी बेपरवाही, मार देवेगी बेपरवाही।
और उसी दिन से हम
एक अच्छी लड़की चॉइस की है, वो भी बहुत क्यूट, बहुत केयरिंग, बहुत स्वीट लड़की है, लविंग है। और मेरी बहू नहीं आके मेरी एक बेटी है, बेटी ने जन्म लिया, जैसे भी वो आई वो मेरे माँ की तरह, जैसे माँ और बेटी का प्यार होता उसी तरह आज मेरे साथ वो व्यवहार करती है। घर पे भी आती है तो बिल्कुल मुझे ऐसे नहीं लगती मेरी बहू आई है, हर चीज़ आके मेरी हेल्प करती है और मुझे बहुत खुशी हो रही है। वो आने से मुझे लगता है आज मेरी बेटी का जन्म हुआ, ना कहीं बहू आई मेरे
Over the past 9-10 months, I've seen them together. This is a side of Vibhor I've not seen. he's been happy, very happy. And each of them has had an impact on each other. They've changed each other a lot. Vibhor has become a person who cracks very bad jokes now. rubbing that, I think that's Aditi rubbing off on him. I mean, you look at them and the only thing I can think about is this is what you want in a partner for your life.
ਲੱਠੇ ਦੀ ਚਾਦਰ ਉੱਤੇ ਸਲੇਟੀ ਰੰਗ ਮਾਹੀਆ ਆਪੋ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਕੋਲੋਂ ਦੀ ਰੁੱਸ ਕੇ ਨਾ ਲੰਗ ਮਾਹੀਆ
Vicky as a person and as a Devar, he is a very good guy. The only person who make me laugh, मतलब like बहुत मस्ती खो रहा है, एकदम सिंसियरिटी के साथ जो मस्ती होती है ना, वो है विकी.
And yeah, looking forward to their married life, and I'm happy that I got a Bhabhi now, another sister. Never had a sister, a real sister. Now I have one. So yeah, and Aditi, she's a great person. She's funny, weirdly funny. Not funny, I would say. Funny in a weird manner.
ऐसे ही पूरी जिंदगी हम लोगों के साथ बने रहे दोनों ताउम्र जिंदगी भर, और पूरे परिवार से ऐसे ही हंसते खेलते मिलते बोलते रहे.
Loving him so much, and he behaves like a son only. They do not feel that okay जमाई आ रहा है घर पे तो बहुत ऐसे sincere होगा. कल तो कितनी whistling कर रहा था वो बैठा
दिया है खुशबू का झोंका तेरे संग कर दिया है. देख तेरा क्या रंग कर दिया है. खुशबू का झोंका तेरे संग कर दिया है. देख तेरा क्या
words I would use to define her, that would be loyal, giver, and somebody who loves unconditionally. Anybody.
So we met in Jaipur accidentally. Then she used to be my roommate, and she is the like craziest girl I have ever seen in my life, and very sweet. And she is like every time like keep on pulling my leg.
खोले से बहारें जैसे आ गई वीरानों में, पंछियों की मीठी बोली खुल गई तरानों में. जिंदगी को मेरी 7 रंग यूं मिल गए हैं, तारे हजारों नैनों में खिल गए. ओरे मेरे साथियों.
We do love Vibhor a lot. That's great. He's really chill and fun and everything. Now we're very happy to welcome him in the family.
He's extremely caring.
Oh yeah, very caring.
Like my parents know if Vibhor is there, then they don't need to worry.
Yeah.
I don't get a second phone call.
He's
the planner of all our outings. Yeah. Mr. I don't get phone call.
He always orders food.
That is the question.
चांदनी खिली तो दिल को तेरा चेहरा याद आया, पत्तों की हुई जो आहट तेरा ही ख्याल आया. बागों की पवन में आज तेरी ही खुशबू है, जुल्फों जैसी काली छाई है ये घाटा.
I would say that Vibhor can be probably the best, not probably, he's definitely the best brother anyone could have, and I love him to bits. Now he's getting married. Today is the D-Day, preparing for the last 9 months. the Bose and Aditi stories has been very interesting. The way they've met, the way they kind of all getting almost married and then taking a pause and then coming back and deciding that yes, they are meant for each other, which I truly believe in.
You were the one that I found, Solavanda solitepo. Why didn't you tell me enough? Solavanda solitepo. I ponder in closure. Remember the world that is out there for me to find. Let me go passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am. Oh, through this time. Let me go, passing by. Let me go, come back in time.
दोनों बहुत खुश रहे और हर खुशी उन दोनों को मिले और जितना वो चाहते हैं घूमना फिरना, बिल्कुल हर इच्छा उस भगवान उसकी हर इच्छा पूरी करे।
हमेशा खुश रहे और ऐसे हंसते मुस्कुराते रहे।
Just stay the same. Don't ever change.
Walking down the way that I found. In the ulagam nan sutta vendum. Faces with smiles all around. In the vahanam nan pakka vendum.
But we are happy that we
finally found the one after, like somebody with whom she relates totally.
And I have never seen Vibhor happier.
Exactly.
Never.
He
Never.
is just on the top of the world.
Passing by. Let me go, come back in time. Let me be who I am. Oh, through this time.
So Aditi, लाके देंगे मांगेंगे जो आप. You are the only one who made the present strands from a sadak chhap. You are a blessing, not a human being, and a best partner for troll, dance and sing. You are nothing less than another mother. कुछ भी हो जाए जिंदगी में करेंगे हम आपकी कदर. Thank you for being there, Aditi.
For me to say the sweetest thing to her would be that be what you are, who you are. Keep on exploring and never lose the personality that you have.
To Aditi and Vibhor, I'd say that you guys are like really refreshing, and like how you guys are with each other is like really mind-blowing and refreshing. We don't see that anywhere every day.
That's the message. Keep loving me the way you love me. It's gonna be a great journey. I'm very sure about it.
A person who finds smallest of things to be happy and has a great personality as well. So everything that I wanted is there. Again, I always thought it was a myth, but she proved me wrong. And that's why I think I just love her a lot.
One last thing, I'll miss you a lot, Guddu Didi.
Solavanda solitepo.
I think they make a great pair. All the best.
Solavanda solitepo.
Rest is this is like very cutest couple I have ever seen.
In closure.
We love you.
world that is out there for me to find.